Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
I'm Twin 1.
And I'm Twin 2, and this is Twin Tuesday.
So today we're going to be doing, I tried following a Blanks makeup tutorial. We're going to be doing Jeffree Star today. And it's called How to Get a Sugar Daddy because that's what we need in our life.
Link down below.
We're not going to be using the same products as Jeffree Star because we're not that rich.
We have like semi-high-end. We don't have like Bobbi Brown or anything. The only thing fancy, I have a Michael Kors liner.
So we're definitely not going to be using the same products. We're just going to try to follow what he does. Alright, so we're going to start watching the video.
Primer. Today we're going to be going into one of my all-time favorites, the Sisley Double Tensia Primer. This one is everything. So I'm going to, of course, coat my fingers.
We are using different products on our faces.
So you go first. Yeah.
So I'm going to be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer.
We're using just this,
cult favorite.
the Professional.
We have
That's
to
my
open
holy
this.
grail. We're done with primer, so we're going to continue.
Oh, my eyes are so dark.
And lingerie foundation. Used on camera before. It is from the brand Guerlain, and this is the
I've never heard of that
lingerie
brand.
foundation. Now this one is supposed to be a skin fusion-like texture where you just look.
Okay, so now we're just going to do foundation. So we're going to do foundation.
So for your foundation,
I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation.
ew.
Looks like this. Hopefully you guys can see. This is in the shade 120.
And so for my foundation, I just have the hardest time finding a shade. And so what I picked up, like not even a month ago, is the LA Girl. It's Pro Coverage, and I mixed these together. Let me just focus.
So I'm going to be using this like random flat blender that I got from Rite Aid.
So I'm gonna take my beauty blender.
Now we're done with foundation. Now we're going to continue.
Alright, now for concealer today, I'm going to be going in with the new NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I used this the other day in a full face first impressions, and I was shocked at how blender and.
Alright, so now we're going to put concealer.
I might go in with the Master Conceal. Can you see it?
I'm going to use my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer.
I never used that.
I use it all the time now.
Oh, really?
So now that we're done with concealer, so let's see what else he does. I'm going to go back a little bit. Okay.
And brighten it and set this face. Now I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix in shade Shivering White with the Damp Beauty Blender.
This is the Naked Cosmetics.
We got it in our Ipsy. Holy.
Translucent HD finishing powder. So he used the MAC one and he used this random brand I've never heard of. And
You haven't heard of La Mer?
No.
Oh, girl. It's close out of your budget. It's out of our budget.
But yeah, so we're just gonna do this, just one step it. Oh my god. So then he says to take a synthetic brush and just wipe away the loose powder. I'm gonna take this Real Techniques one and I'm just gonna wipe
I'm going
away.
to be taking a Morphe.
Alright, I just bronzed up my entire face. We hit the cheeks, forehead, jawline, and nose.
That's what we're gonna do.
I'm just going to use this.
Alright, I'm just gonna use this e.l.f. bronzer contour palette for mine.
I'm going to go into my NYC. Been using this in the shade Sunny.
So now we're done with our bronzing. So we're gonna continue. Maybe? Okay.
Highlight right now.
I'm gonna do highlight because that's what he does next. And I just brought my Tarte one.
I'm going to be going in with my Sleek Makeup palette in the color Solstice. Solstice.
Right.
I'm just gonna be taking what kind of shade, my lashes, what kind of shade is that? Is it like a peachy?
That's kind of what he used too. Okay, so we're done with highlight. So we're gonna move on to eyebrows, and he did them off camera, so we're just gonna do whatever we do.
And plus, he literally shaves his eyebrows, so he just does them. I'm not shaving my eyebrows for this video. I'm not gonna shave it for any reason in my life.
And I have the Anastasia dip brow, and mine is in ebony. And my eyebrows are already really thick, and they're not done, so I'm just gonna try my best.
To go into the city color, I've just been using this. It's so amazing.
Today we're going to be using the YSL Couture Eye Primer.
Oh, he does use primer.
Nice.
Of course, use a synthetic.
We're gonna apply primer, which he never usually does. Oh, Jesus, yeah. The primer's done. Continue.
Alright, now that the primer is down, I'm going to take a ivory shade and put it all over my lid up to the brow bone. And
Oh, right there.
Cool. It is
And we're just gonna be using Morphe palettes, the 305.
Yeah, this one's the
It's the 350, and I have the 350 too.
Okay.
She has generously gifted this to me for Christmas.
So we're both gonna be using this color right here in the corner to put on our eyelid.
I'm just gonna be using this brush I got off eBay.
Alright, now that we have our ivory base, we're gonna continue. He starts in the inner corner, and then he like brings it out to the rest of the eye. So he puts it all over his lid, but he starts in like the inner corner.
I'm just gonna use.
Alright, so I'm just gonna take this brush right here.
I'm gonna take my MAC 217.
I'm gonna take this Lottie London. And we're gonna take, in each of our palette, we have a really similar orange shade. It looks exactly like this on both of them. So yeah, we're just gonna take these and we're just gonna do what he did. So now we're just gonna blend it. Oh, that's not me. So he said to take just a tiny bit and just blend it out. Alright, now that that's blended out, we're going to continue on our journey, our eye journey.
I need to look at myself in my
tiny
mirror.
little MAC detailer brush. This is the 221, and we're going to dip into shade Dominatrix, this beautiful dark chocolate shade right here.
Okay, so chocolate brown.
Goes along with
So he literally put it right in his crease.
smoke out the under, but before I do that, I'm just gonna go back into Eclipse really quickly with the brush we put on the primer, and we're just gonna go right below the brow bone, and we're just gonna pack on some Eclipse right in the arch of my brow.
All right, so we're gonna pack some highlighter.
Just finished putting the highlight underneath our brow bones.
All right, so let's continue.
More uplifted look. All right, now we're gonna go in with one of my all-time favorite black liners. This is Smolder from MAC, and I'm just going to put this in my waterline quickly, and then get to smoking.
All right.
So I only have one liner with this, and that's my Marc Chico.
So she's gonna do first, and then me followed. So we're done with the liner now. Just go back on the orange.
Place this right below the waterline and just drag it out. And sometimes I like to tilt my head so there's no fallout.
All right, so you're just gonna put that underneath his waterline.
Let's move on.
All right, so he puts mascara on.
And then onto the lips.
Going in with the Marc Jacobs Liquid Lip Cream in shade, what is this one called again? Yours to Try. This is a beautiful, warm toned nude color. I think it's gonna go perfect with this eye look.
Okay, so the color he's using is like a really light peach.
It's actually disgusting.
Like, I personally would not wear this with this look. So for the lips, as you can see, we ended up going for something a little more dark. We ended up using the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit lipstick.
It was a struggle.
In So Noir Cool. But we didn't really like the color that Jeffree went for, and plus we didn't have anything like it.
It was really hard to find.
So we went for black, and it does give it a different look that his does.
I think it turned out like really well. And I know we did like a simple one. Maybe we can come back and do like a more difficult, like a cut crease kind of thing. Because this is so different and I really like it. I like how it turned out.
Yeah, it definitely turned out really nice. Better than I expected it to.
Okay. Thanks for watching our video.
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
And comment.
All right, thanks for watching.
Bye.
An hour and a half.